Well, through the late 90s, we were researching large infrastructure project performance in UK construction, and that research led us to conclude that those projects failed for two principal reasons. One, the client approach to managing risk, and secondly, the behaviours that were exhibited in working with the suppliers. But what it also demonstrated, when you aggregated the performance of those projects and tried to apply them to the time, quality, cost and safety performance that targets we set on Terminal 5, that actually, using those UK construction benchmarks at the time, Terminal 5 would be 2 years late on a 5-year construction programme. We would be somewhere between £1 and £1.5 billion over budget at least. The quality would be indifferent, and statistically at least, up to 12 people would probably die on site. Now, Terminal 5 is costing £4.3 billion. If we had applied those performance parameters to BAA, at best it would have financially destabilised us as a business, and at worst it could have put BAA out of business. So when you look at the corporate risk associated with something as so strategic an investment as Terminal 5 was to BAA, we began to realise we couldn't transfer those kind of corporate risks through a supply contract. So the risks to our shareholders, the risks to our travellers and airlines, the corporate responsibility risks we have, and ultimately, if we demonstrated that we couldn't deliver Terminal 5, we're actually fundamentally putting at risk our ability and our licence to grow as a business.